Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the model test paper chapters 1 to 7. Tick the correct options. Father or mother's brother is called aunt, uncle, cousin, grandmother, grandfather, uncle. A transparent structure called lens is present in or on the dash ear, nose, tongue, eye. Eye. In cricket, there are dash players in each team 2, 10, 11, 8, 11. A dash analyzes the nutritional content of food. Food scientist, sales engineer, paramedic, lifeguard. Food scientist. The main nutrients in grow foods are dash carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins. Proteins. Next, match the following. Onam, Kerala. Uttar Pradesh, sugarcane. Skyscrapers, offices. Zumba, workout. Uttarayan, Gujarat. Understood? Next, tick the true statements and cross the false ones. Many relatives get together to celebrate weddings and festivals. True. People who are born deaf can't see. False. PV Sindhu is a famous boxing champion. False. A banker advises his or her clients on how to manage finances. True. Granite and marble are durable materials. True. Next, name each of the following. Cooking oils, butter, and ghee are rich in this nutrient. Fats. Short pieces of sugar cane sewn at proper distances. Sets. A building material made from a mixture of broken stone or gravel, sand, cement, and water. Concrete. Next, a person who designs sets of sets for films. Art directors. The team game where stumps are used. Cricket. Next, complete the analogy. Badminton individual game. Cricket team game. Potter potter's wheel. Plumber pipe wrench. Chips. junk food. Fruits, healthy food. Rice, carbohydrates, eggs, proteins. Olden day windows, wood. Modern day windows, glass. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. Identify the plants. Which plants is this? This is a identify sugar cane. Okay. Name the state where it is mostly grown. So Uttar Pradesh. Okay. How should the land be prepared before sowing short pieces of this stem? The land must be deeply plowed to break soil clots and remove weeds. It should then be leveled thoroughly, and furrows must be dug at proper intervals for planting the sets. What should be added for the proper growth of plant? Manure and fertilizers. When is harvesting done? Where is the harvested product taken? The harvest is done in the month of December and January. The harvested products taken to the mills. Name the end product obtained, sugar or jaggery. Answer the following questions in brief. Name three materials which can be used to construct an environment friendly house. Bamboo, mud, thatch. What are the special items prepared during the festival of Bhogali Bihu? The special sweets like pita, rice cakes, laru, coconut or sesame sweet balls, and jolpan are prepared. Why are roughage and water important for the body? Roughage helps to keep the digestive system clean. Water helps to take the nutrients to each part of the body and regulates the body temperature. List the tools used by a teacher. Blackboard or whiteboard, chalk, laser pointer, duster, textbook and notebooks, overhead projector. Give any three reasons why we should play games according to their rules. Make it easier to understand and play the game. Ensure that everyone gets an equal opportunity to play. Help to decide the winner. Answer in detail. Describe the process of making bread. Steps in making of bread. Wheat is harvested from the farms. Then wheat grains are taken to a mill. Then grains are ground into flour. Flour is mixed with water, yeast, and salt. Dough is kneaded, pressed, and folded. Dough is left to rise it, becomes big and fluffy. Dough is shaped into loaves and baked in an oven. Baked bread is cooled and packed, sent to shops and sold. How do sports help us? Sports can help us to maintain a healthy mind and body and are like exercise for our brain. We learn to be patient, to solve problems, and not to be biased. Understood? This is about the model question test paper. Tomorrow we will see chapter 8 plants, our green friends. Okay, thank you.